Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start Steam and have it directly go to your library. So this is the home front, the store page right here. If you want to go in and just skip this, instead of having to use the mouse all the time and go to library just to see your game collection, you can choose where Steam opens up to. So we can go to settings, Steam settings, scroll on down to interface, and then we can go down here. And it's called Startup Location. Select your default Steam window. So we have 5 different options under here. We have Store. We can simply go to the library each time. We can go to News, Friends, Activities, and then Community Home. So I'd say most of you probably want to just go to Library, and then you don't have to worry about switching over to the tabs for Library. And there's other good settings under here too, like run Steam when my computer starts, and ask which account to use each time Steam starts, start in big picture mode, etc. So just come through this section and just look at everything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.